Hi everyone, it's Cherry Enchantress. I'm here with another flip through, and this time we have Nature's Whispers Oracle cards. I have been wanting these since I first started this channel. I thought they would go really good with my tarot, my Shadowscapes tarot, because they were just so, soft and flowing. But I don't know, for one reason or another, I put them off, and now I'm finally getting them. And some of it has to do with my friend at Journey into the Light. She uses them, and every time she uses them, I'm like, oh yeah, I gotta get those too. All right, so let's begin. I'm gonna clip on my mic and take a look. Nice box. Blue Angel. It comes with this little white card on top. Protective card. So there we go. And book. Let's see what's on the bottom here. Just a little description. 50 cards and a guidebook. There's also the another whisper deck, but I think I like this one better, so I'll start with this one first. Then I'll add the other one. Yeah, and it's part of, it's a different author and artist that I have, so I really like it. So let's look at the book a little bit. I like when they have the contents. It makes it so much easier, doesn't it? And then spreads. And it's a nice little thin book, no muss, no fuss. It's nice. Very nice. Very straightforward. What I can really use. Straightforward. I do like the Wisdom of the Oracle. It's a style, a certain style, but I'm kind of a straightforward girl myself. Okay, and that's it. It's just an explanation of each card. And there's the author, Angela Hartfield, and the artist, Josephine. Very lovely people. So let's take a look at the cards. Oh, and how can I not have cards with tons of butterflies on the back? Come on, what was I doing waiting so long getting these? Okay, let's take a look. I might add music to this, maybe. Okay, here we go. They're very slippery, soft. Such a beautiful painting. Beautiful. There you go. Hope you liked it. Face, Trust, and Pixie Dust.